Hi, this is Eric from LD Products, and today I'll be showing you how to run the cleaning function on your Epson Workforce Pro WF-3820 printer. If you're getting poor print results, you can run the built-in cleaning function on your Epson printer to try and improve your print quality. To do this, first you will want to run the printhead nozzle check function on your printer to see which cartridges require cleaning. All you have to do is scroll to Maintenance, then select Printhead Nozzle Check, then select Print. Your printer will print out a nozzle check pattern, and if you have missing colors on the nozzle check pattern, you could run the printhead cleaning function to try and improve the print quality of the problem cartridge. To do this, select the X on the printer menu, then select Start to begin the cleaning. The process takes about 2 minutes. Don't turn the printer off while this is running. And when it's complete, you can select Check to print out a second nozzle pattern to see if the print quality has improved. Our print quality looked okay, so we're going to be selecting No Check here. But if you still have print quality issues, run a second cleaning to see if that improves things. We don't recommend running more than a couple cleanings because ink gets used up every time it runs. So if you don't see an improvement after running it twice, it may be time to get a new cartridge. And that's it. If you enjoyed this video, please leave us a like, and you can also subscribe to our channel where we have lots of other great printing tips. If you have any questions or printing tips you need help with, feel free to leave a comment below. And if you're looking to save money on printer ink, visit ldproducts.com. We are your ink and toner experts.